Good morning, YouTube. Me and my best friend are out running errands. We just stopped by one of our favorite vegan shops called Green Spork.
Went in.
Yeah, we went in. I already ate my avocado toast, but this is called...
Take me through there.
Yes. I got, this one is called the green one. I get it without the celery. I add extra mango and pineapple, spirulina, and sea moss.
And I was just all big bag.
But we were healthy big bags, okay? So don't come first in the comments. I'm telling y'all. Just kidding. Y'all don't. And I love that.
Let me throw something away.
So yeah, we're about to start running some errands. We just sat and ate in the car. You know how like they say you want to eat before you go grocery shopping and all that stuff, so your eyes don't get bigger than your stomach. So we're gonna try to do that today. But yeah, we gotta do a little bit of grocery shopping and then go to a few stores and then go home and just get ready for the rest of the week. Mondays and Tuesdays are pretty much our like reset days because Saturdays and Sundays are busy in real estate, so we try to reset on Monday and Tuesday. If you didn't see my last few vlogs, please go and check them out because they were tea. But yeah, you want to say hi? No. Okay. No, she doesn't. The people love you. But yeah, we're about to go. I'll pull you guys back up when it's appropriate. Yeah.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love doing cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name.
Where are the black people products?
We're still in Publix looking for stuff for the black people. I mean, we need y'all to do better on having this little small ass section for y'all, for us. We would appreciate more than this.
Eco. Gotta have the eco.
Gotta have the eco. Gotta have the Shea Moisture. You know, we would really appreciate it though. If we weren't so forgotten.
Here we go, friends. Easter Sunday.
Bow, 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 bow. We gotta stop for these people kick us out of their store. Now this. Well, they had that. The funny thing is that I never really grew hair in those areas, so I never really had to shave. Isn't that crazy? My grandma said it would happen when I have kids, so I haven't had kids yet, so I guess that's why it hasn't happened. Not that I want hairy underarms, but it just never befalled me in my life.
I'm just so fucking tired of working!
Where the stout bring?
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love doing cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name.
Plug-ins or a house smell like cinnamon and pine. We do need a candle. Speaking of that, my favorite right here. get ready for Christmas decorations.
Oh, yeah.
And look, my guilty pleasure.
Dinner snacks. Snack. Eat a little snack. We have a pot roast for dinner. I'm so excited.
We gotta go hurry up and get home.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
I'm not rushing them to saying we playing in this store.
We keep playing this.
Probably more me.
It's me and this camera. A little traffic jam. Thank you.
What am I missing? Always taking notes every time I try with a nigga. I just don't waste a day gone. What am I missing? Seem like you ain't one from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me out the club, one hit it. I don't wanna know. Keep playing. Love is a losing game, and I just can't take no more. No more. Love is a losing game, so I just might be yours.
That's what we need, forks.
Always out of course. Oh, we need more silverware.
I got some. I found some at the house.
Oh. So we're back on the produce side. We definitely need onions. Your girl is trying to get her life right for winter. You know how I like it. Answer that phone, Tyler.
I want some time.
Tyler, answer the phone.
I want some time with you. Who's Tyler?
Who's Tyler? They just called him. Give it to me. I'll give it to you. I love you.
I feel like this isn't enough. Then I feel like too bad.
Yeah, the little ones. The littles. I want to cut this hair, like right here. Let's have a look.
So we got celery. Oh, I knew it was something I needed. I need to get beef broth. Ooh, with this pot roast, if you wanted to make some ramen,
Oh,
God,
yeah.
that would be so good.
What you know about that paprika? That guy on TikTok who be roasting stuff.
We can get out of here. I just need a can of beef brown. I just need a can of beef brown. 20.
I would love for someone to take this to our car and put it in the trunk for us and us not have to do it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What am I missing? Always taking notes every time I try with a nigga. I just don't waste a day gone. What am I missing? Seem like you ain't one from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me out the club, one hit it. I don't wanna know. Keep playing. Love is a losing game, and I just can't take no more. No more. Love is a losing game, so I just might be yours.
Alright, Brian, you free?
No, yeah, because I told
We made it back home, guys.
I am absolutely mentally, spiritually, physically tired. It's just exhausting.